Next problem. Find the angle between the curves. R is equal to A log theta. R is equal to A by log theta. You consider R is equal to A log theta. Take log on both sides. Log R is equal to log A plus log of log theta. After taking log, differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiation of log R is 1 over R by R into dr by d theta. Differentiation of log A is 0. Differentiation of log theta is 1 by log theta into 1 by theta. Now in place of 1 by dr by theta you can write cos phi 1. Then 1 by theta log theta you will get here. Then cot phi 1 is equal to, then find directly tan phi 1. If you can't find the phi 1 here, then you find the tan phi 1. ನಿಮಗೆ phi 1 ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಕಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆವಾಗ phi 1ನ tan phi 1 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋ, R is equal to, consider R is equal to A by log theta. Take log on both sides. Log R is equal to log A minus log of log theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiation of log R is 1 over R dr by d theta. Differentiation of log A is 0. Differentiation of log theta is 1 by log theta into 1 by theta. Then cot phi 2 is minus 1 by theta log theta. Therefore tan phi 2 is minus theta log theta. Take this equation as 1 and this as 2. And consider this equation as 3. And this equation as 4. Now from 192, here you see equation 192, left hand sides are same. Therefore you can equate the right hand side. Equate the right hand side, then you get like this. A log theta is equal to A by log theta. Then A log theta into log theta is equal to A. Then log theta into log theta is nothing but log theta whole square. R log square theta is equal to A by A is 1. Theta whole square is 1. Therefore log theta is root 1 is 1. Then theta is equal to e power 1. Therefore theta is what? E. Now equation 3 and 4 becomes, substitute the theta value. And 4. Equation 3 is tan phi 1 is equal to theta log theta. Then tan phi 1 will become E log E, RE, and log E is 1. Therefore E into 1 is E. And tan phi 2 is minus E log E. Minus E into 1 is minus E. Now write the formula for tan phi 1 minus phi 2. Formula is tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2 divided by 1 plus tan phi 1 into tan phi 2. Therefore tan phi 1 is E minus of minus E divided by 1 plus E into minus E. Finally you get tan phi 1 minus tan phi 1 minus phi 2 is 2E by 1 minus E square. Phi 1 minus phi 2 is equal to tan inverse 2e by 1 minus e square. 2x by 1 minus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. You have to use this formula there. Finally, you get the answer. Pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 2 tan inverse e. That's enough. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Thank you. Thank you for supporting.